Hello everyone, and welcome to Python Level 1. We've already learned so much that it may seem a bit crazy that we're only now reaching how to learn and how to code in Python, because Django is completely based in Python, and for a majority of the course from now on, we're just going to be working with Python. But your previous programming experience with learning JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and those fundamental coding ideas is going to help make learn Python a total breeze. So over level 1 and level 2, we're going to be covering a lot of the same general programming topics from JavaScript, things like for loops and while loops, etc. So we won't spend as much time in Python talking about the very basic ideas of what a for loop is, or what an array is, or what those basic ideas are. Instead, we'll just show you more of the syntax of how to work with those ideas in Python. And then we're going to expand on these ideas to learn about object-oriented programming, something we haven't talked about yet. So if you've already taken a Python course, you may already know a lot of what we're going to be covering, especially if you've already taken one of my Python courses. You may find it easier to skip ahead to a section instead of starting from the very beginning. Let's outline some of the topics of both level 1 and level 2 to give you an idea of where to start if you already have some experience. In Python level 1, we'll start by talking about basic data types of Python. That includes numbers, strings, lists, and dictionaries. Then we'll talk about tuples, sets, and booleans, control flow of Python and how it uses indentation. That's things such as the if, else if statements. Then we'll talk about functions of Python. Then starting at Python level 2, we'll talk about scope with Python. We'll discuss object-oriented programming with Python, errors and exceptions, decorators, and then regular expressions. Utilize the curriculum outline to jump to the lecture you feel is the most appropriate starting point for you if you already have some programming experience with Python. Or, if you are a complete beginner, feel free to just start from here and continue on. It has been a really long learning journey so far just to reach this point, so I really want you to take the time and congratulate yourself. Everything you've learned so far is challenging material, so remind yourself that you are awesome for making it this far into the course and give yourself a huge pat on the back. Okay, Python level 1 and 2 are the only things standing between you and the main course topic, which is Django. So let's dive straight into it and get started by setting up Python and the Atom text editor in the next lecture. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.